Are you tired of formatting cells individually when your formatting rules apply to multiple cells? In this video, we'll see how we can automatically format cells when certain conditions are met through using the conditional formatting feature, Highlight Cells. In this example, we want to be able to clearly identify which of the top 20 chess players in the world are over the age of 35. The first method we'll explore is highlighting the specific cells that meet the target criteria. To do this, let's highlight the values in column C and then navigate to the Highlight Cells feature, which can be found on the Home tab under Conditional Formatting. We'll see some additional options appear, but in this case, we want to use the greater than option. We're prompted to enter the criteria we would like to evaluate against, along with the formatting we want to apply. In this case, we want to highlight the values that are greater than 35. Let's also change the color formatting to green. The second method we'll explore takes the first method a step further and highlights the adjacent cells as well. To do this, let's highlight the entire range of data and then navigate to the New Rule option under Conditional Formatting. Here, we'll use a formula to determine which cells we want to format. Let's start by entering an equal sign to indicate that this is a formula. We know we want to format the data range based on the values in column L, but we want to make sure the reference is dynamic and will apply to all rows of data. To do this, let's lock the column reference by using a $sign, and then enter the number that represents the first row of data, which is 4. Let's set the criteria to be greater than 35, and then set the format to fill the cell with green if the condition is true. We see the same rows of data are highlighted as in the first method, only now we see the adjacent cells highlighted as well. Also, if we happen to change the data in our range, we see the conditional formatting is dynamic.